Negosa Janela Marian M. With highest honors, Conduct Awardee, Outstanding Performance in Specific Discipline in English, Outstanding Performance in Specific Discipline in Science, Outstanding Performance in Specific Discipline in Math, Outstanding Performance in Specific Discipline in Athletics, Leadership Awardee, Campus Journalism, Boy Scout of the Philippines, Science Regional Fair 2023 to class, a research project competition in mathematics and computation. Diversity Festival of Talents, fifth place, Amazing. Name of parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alan Negosa.